Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off camera scene optimizer on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen open up the camera app. Next, in here tap on the settings icon on the top left corner. Now go down to the intelligent features section and tap on scenes optimizer. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. You can tap on the left hand side panel for more information. In here, say that automatically optimize camera settings to make dark scenes look brighter, food look tastier, and landscapes look more vivid. So if you like to use that optimization technique from the camera settings, you can switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.